We definitely mentioned the day versus night confusion a couple times previously in this course, but now we're going to talk about how to fix this day and night confusion during your 4th trimester. If you're unfamiliar with the term 4th trimester, you're probably thinking, what's that? There's only 3 trimesters in pregnancy. Well, the first 3 to 4 months of your baby's life is also known as the 4th trimester. This is just the period of time where your baby is adjusting from womb to world, and we are going to help them correct their day versus night confusion first. So when your baby is in the womb, they are used to being lulled to sleep during the day by your basic, just your daily movements. Whatever you're doing, if you're walking, if you're exercising, whatever you're doing throughout the day, that's putting your baby to sleep. But the minute you lay your head on your pillow at night while you're pregnant, your baby thinks it's party time. So they are used to being awake during the night, kicking around. You probably may not even feel it because you're sleeping, but your baby is definitely awake in there having a midnight party. So now you're wondering, okay, I get it. How do I fix it? The first thing you want to do is have your morning wake up time be a dramatic one. So you want to open your curtains. You want to take down your blackout situation. You want to make sure that you are giving your child the stimulation of daylight as soon as possible when they wake up in the morning. It should be the first thing that you do. Get your baby out of the crib and say, "Good morning, it's morning time. I'm so happy to see you," while you're opening the curtains. You want to make sure that you're giving your baby enough stimulation during wake time hours so that they are really exerting their energy and that they're going to be ready to sleep. This can be playing music and dancing, singing, talking, all the things that you're doing throughout your day. You can also involve your baby in. You also want to make sure that you're exposing them to natural daylight by going outside for walks so they're getting vitamin D, which is actually going to help your baby produce melatonin when it's time to sleep. So those are all the things that you can do during the day to help with the day versus night confusion, but what about at night? So we're gonna do the complete opposite. You're gonna put your blackout curtains up. You're going to turn down the lights. You're gonna turn off the TV or radio or music, whatever you're listening to. All those lights and sounds in your houses need to be minimized, if not off. I'm not saying you have to live your life in the dark at night, but just dimming the lights and making it a less stimulating environment is going to help your baby's body understand it's getting to be nighttime, I'm going to sleep soon. So this also goes hand in hand with all of those baby must-have items. You need to make sure that you have a blacked out bedroom, and you need to make sure you have white noise and a properly fitting swaddle so that your baby is ready to sleep. And you want to make sure that you have a very consistent bedtime routine. Yes, that means you can start a bedtime routine with your baby from day 1. When you're doing the same thing over and over every single night, your baby's body is going to get into the circadian rhythm that this routine means bedtime. When your baby is just a newborn, it doesn't have to be anything elaborate. It could be feed the baby, change the diaper, swaddle up, rock and sing some songs together, have some cuddles, and put your baby in bed. It can be as little as a 5 to 10 minute routine. Just keep it consistent every single night. Between 2 and 3 months is when you can really expect to see all of these things come together, and your baby will start sleeping longer stretches. Don't expect them to sleep through the night, and they will really start to understand the difference between day and night. And by 3 to 4 months, you're really going to see daytime patterns of naps and wakeful time really starting to come to fruition. Super quick screen share right here, but I wanted to let you know and remind you that this day versus night confusion printable is in your PDF newborn sleep guide download. So make sure that you print this out and put it on your fridge, put it in your baby's door, put it wherever you need the reminder, or snap a picture of it or a screenshot from your PDF onto your cell phone so that you kind of remind yourself to do these things during the day and those things during the night to really get that day versus night confusion sorted out. I hope this is helpful. Let's keep going.